Hey folks, welcome back to Gadget Therapy. So before we jump into the setup of various devices, it's important to understand that there are a few different technologies that allow for IoT devices to talk to each other. Everyone knows the two most common ones, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. But there are other major ones in the market today like Zigbee, Z-Wave and Thread. I will delve deeper into these different technologies in a different video, but all you need to understand for now is that you need a hub or multiple hubs consisting of these technologies in your devices to connect everything together. For instance, if you have an Echo Dot without hub, it still supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you can connect devices like your TP-Link switches on Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth speaker to your Echo Dot directly. But if you have a Echo Dot with hub, it still supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. In addition, it supports Zigbee. Hue bulbs, which work on the Zigbee protocol, can thus connect to this Echo directly. And there are devices like SmartThings from Samsung, which in addition to all these, support Z-Wave devices as well. So that means to connect your smart home devices, you need such technologies built into your Echo device itself. But wait, if you see, there is one more way to connect your devices together to Alexa. Consider the Hue bulbs, which work on Zigbee protocol. Now, Hue sells their own hub and app to connect all the Hue devices together. And the Hue hub itself is connected to your Wi-Fi router, which means it can communicate with the bulbs via Zigbee, but to talk to your Echo devices, it can use Wi-Fi instead. This way allows everything and anything to connect to Alexa as long as the device you purchased has their own hub. One last example I want to give you of is something called a SwitchBot. So it's a neat little device that presses analog switches and makes them smart. And it works with Alexa. But it only works with it if you buy their own hub. Without the hub, its uses are very limited. Unfortunately, that's the reality of how smart devices are segregated into different technologies, and that is their way of keeping you bound to their platform and fleet of devices. Now that you understand how everything works, in the next video we will see how to set up these devices to your Echo device to control everything together from one app, that's the Alexa app. And then we will go in further to see how you can automate all these things together. Hope you guys found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your mates. See you in the next one.